welcome back once again. Here I simplify physics and make problem solving very easy. Okay, so if you're ready to understand physics and not memorizing it, let's begin here. All right, and also don't forget to subscribe, follow, like the video as well. Okay, so come with me. And like I've told you before, this is a combination of parallel and series. So the first thing is I'm going to solve the parallel aspect of this circuit. Then the equivalent of the parallel aspect is going to be in series with the remaining capacitance. All right. So the parallel aspect which I have C2 and C3. So what I'm going to have is C2, which is parallel to C3. I'm going to solve it. And what's the principle of that? Let me just use CP, that is the C parallel is equal to what? C2 plus C3. It's just the summation of the capacitance, right? So let's go there. CP is equal to, my C2 is what? 2 microfarad plus 4 microfarad, right? This is going to give me 6 microfarad. Okay, so the next thing is this 6 microfarad, which is my CP, is going to be in series with C5, C4 and C1. Okay, so I'm going to redraw my circuit like this. So I will draw my circuit like this. This is my C1. Everything here is my CP, which I've calculated. Then my C4 and my C5. So they are now in series. So to find the resultant capacitor now, capacitance, which is the same thing as C total. Since they are in series, what I'm going to have is 1 over C5. This is 1 over 1 over CT is equal to 1 over C5 plus 1 over C4 plus 1 over CP plus 1 over C1. Okay, the summation of the reciprocal of individual capacitance. So 1 over CT is equal to my C5 is 2, 1 over 2 plus my C4 1 over 3 plus 1 over 6 plus my C1 1 over 4. So applying simple fraction principle here, the LCM here is 12. Okay, so 2 into 12 is how many times? 6 times. 6 times 1 is 6. Bring your plus. 3 into 12, 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Bring your plus. 6 into 12, 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 4 into 12, 3. 3 times 1 is 3. So what I'm going to do, I will add everything here. So what I'm going to have here is this plus this 10 plus this 12 plus this 15. So I have 15 over 12, right? Good. So is CT, that's the result, and I'm looking for. I'll cross multiply this, multiply by this, and this multiply by this. So I have 15 C total equal to 1 times 12. So I'll divide both sides by 15 by 15 so that C total will remain. Okay, so what I have is 12 over 15 microfarad. Okay, you see, very simple. It's just an understanding of the principle of what a series capacitance and a parallel capacitance. Okay, so do well to like the video, share the video, invite family and friends. Okay, bye.